So guys, in this video, I will share with you 5 high income skills so that you can easily make a minimum of $10,000 per month. Okay. But before that, if you want 100% free training to make your first $100 per day as a complete beginner, then check out the link in the description, and after this training you can easily make $100 per day online. And also, if you like videos about making money online and entrepreneurship related videos, so be sure to hit the subscribe button and also click the bell icon to join the entrepreneur family. So let's get started. So the first high income skill that I want to share with you is the skill of the copywriting. I have already shared this skill a lot of times, but guys, copywriting is one of the most important skill if you want to kind of write anything like ads or maybe sales page or maybe the webinar, say webinar script or anything. You can, as a copywriter, you can easily make a minimum of $10,000. And how? Because literally guys, you can see that there is a vendor who is going to launch a product, and he's not having a copywriter who can write the sales page for him, and who can even write the ads for him, who can also write the webinar script for him. So what you will do, you can simply approach him, or he is going to approach you if you are enough popular. Okay, otherwise you can approach him and tell him, hey, I will be charging you 5%, because generally in the industry you can easily charge 10% as a copywriter. But just think about it, you are only going to charge 5%, and if the vendor is going to make at least $50,000, which is really not a big deal guys, really not a big deal. Okay, so he's going to pay you 5%, that is going to be $2,500. And let's say it takes you 2 days, that means you can say like maybe 12 or 14 or maybe 15 20 hours to write those sales page and the webinar script and also the ad copy. So in just 2 days you have made over $2,500. And even if you are going to do just work 3 or 4 days in a week, you will be able to make $10,000. And also guys, as being kind of a bonus, I'm going to leave a link in the description of a free webinar that the Anix Single is going to host you, where you can learn the 5 important steps of the copywriting. Just click the link in the description after this video and check out that webinar. Okay, it's 100% free guys, you will really learn a lot. Okay, so now guys, the second important skill you can develop is, it's really a high income skill, just because the local business owners don't even know what the hell is digital marketing. So you can simply develop the skill of the digital marketing. You can grow their Instagram, you can post on daily basis, you can run the ads on the Instagram, or there are a lot of things in the digital marketing. But the catch is they do not know how to do it, so they are ready to pay to someone else who can do this for them. So if you can develop this skill, you will be able to make a ton of money, because making $10,000 is really not a big deal. Let's say you are going to get one client of $1,000. Okay, and then you can simply tell him, hey, I will be giving you 50% off if you are going to refer me 2 clients. Okay, so in that way you are going to even if you are going to forgive the 100% for him as a bonus, because he is referring to 2 people, you may have lost the $1,000, but you are going to get the $2,000 monthly recurring revenue from the others, two others. And if you are going to charge $1,000, you can easily charge kind of just you just need 10 clients to make a minimum of $10,000. And it really does not mean that you are going to charge everybody $1,000. You can even charge $2,500, or maybe some of the it really depends, but some are even charging $25,000, $50,000, and maybe $100,000 as well per month. Okay, so you can simply develop this skill. There are a lot of courses, and just take them and develop this skill. And the third one is the media influencer. It's kind of the in the digital marketing, I told you, you are going to do all of that stuff for someone else in order for a money. But what you are going to do in the media influencer, you're going to become an influencer. For example, you can be a YouTube, you can have a YouTube channel, or you can have an Instagram following, where you can simply build a following, and thereafter you can simply monetize them. Okay, it can be like let's say if you are going to have 10,000 subscribers on the YouTube, you can really make a good money if they are the engaging. And if you are kind of having an attractive character, I shared about the attractive character in the .com secret summary. Just click the link and also watch that. That is an amazing video I made. Okay, so if you are going to attract other people, and they are really going to make buy from you. Okay, just because they trust on you. And if you can develop a following, you can build a following, you can easily monetize them and can make $10,000 or even more every single month. Okay, and the fourth one is the consulting. You might be thinking, guys, consulting is not kind of a skill, but actually it is really a big skill. A lot of people to think that I have learned the digital marketing, now I can consult other business for the digital marketing. But the catch is this: you have learned the digital marketing, not the consulting. There are a ton of different methods of doing the consulting. There are some of the people are only doing the consulting like on the kind of hourly rate. So in that way, you will not be able to make a ton of money in the consulting. Yeah, your per hour price will be higher, but you will be stuck. You're trading hours, you're trading hours for dollars. Okay, so you will not be able to extend a limit. But the consulting is a kind of business where you can even scale up to multi-millionaire. Okay, multi-millions. Okay, and there are a lot of courses like the one of the best courses of Sam Owens. So I will also, if I can find the link of that webinar, I will surely leave that webinar link in the description, because that is an amazing webinar. You're really going to learn a ton of things. But if you are going to have a consulting business, you are not even a business, you are a single consultator, and having learned some of the things, you can even charge $10,000 just from one guy. Or maybe if you are going to charge for $2,000, because consulting is a kind of a very high income skill where you can easily get paid $2,000. Okay, so you can check out the link in the of the webinar in the description. Okay, and you can easily make $10,000, because let's say you are going to charge $2,000 and you have 5 clients, so each one is going to pay $2,000. You have already reached to $10,000. Okay, and the last but not least, the fifth high income skill I wanted to share with you is the closing. Basically, closing kind of you need everywhere. You need to learn closing in order to get the clients. You need to close them. Okay, if you are an affiliate marketer, digital marketer, you need to close with other people. Maybe you are not present over there in physical way, or maybe not even the virtual way, but actually you are in the virtual way. Your video is working, your text is working. So in that way, you need to close, whether in the form of the print media or maybe in the form of the telephone media and any other way. But you actually need to close to make money. Okay, whether it's any kind of, you need to get clients, you need to sell products. So if you are going to do the closing, you will still be able to make a lot of money. It's kind of like, as I told you, in the copywriting, you can easily make 10%. You can easily charge 10%, because there are very limited high ticket closers. Okay, as this one I think I found from the download, the high ticket closing. Okay, basically, actually, if you are going to go, if there is a vendor who is going to launch a high ticket product, and he is going to just give you 10%, and you are going to close a sale of $10,000, so you are going to make $1,000. Okay, and you just need 10 sales to reach to $10,000, and it's not kind of that much way. Yeah, yes, you are still trading hours for dollars, but the catch is you are trading hours for high dollars. And later on, you can develop this into a business, into a scalable business, by teaching the same skill to other guys or hiring the other people, and you can then sell your own high ticket products. So that is the way you can easily scale up. And also be sure to check out the copywriting webinar link in the description, and I will also leave the webinar link in the description. Okay, of the media influencer. You will get the media influencer webinar from the Vic Strizos. He drive, I think, about 500,000 visitors within just a single day. You can really think what kind of the influencer he is. Okay, it's kind of the paid traffic also. So be sure to check that out as well, and I will see you in another video.